Hello, my peeps. Look at me. It's Tracey here, friendly neighborhood paper pusher, Stampin' Up demonstrator, and technical genius. Okay, maybe not a technical genius, but I did figure out new software for my camera, which you know what it lets me do? And this was the exciting part. I won't zoom out too far. Actually, you want me to zoom out a little farther? You see this farther I zoom out? Oh, performance issues. There we go. Um, the farther I zoom out, the messier my desk gets. So let's not do that. Um, I really should make note. I just figured this out. I'm very excited. Oh, see, they were loaded. Okay, so we want to be. Sorry, you're going to go with me on this one. $2.95. That's about good. $2.95. So I have to tell you, when Stampin' Up first came out with the glass mat, I wasn't sure I wanted one, and I thought, nah. Oh, good Lord, do I like this glass mat. First off, you'll see this is dry erase marker that I wrote here. I will watch a meeting or training or something, information session of any kind, and I will write all over this glass mat, and then I take a picture of it, and then I erase the mat. And then I'm like drowning in paper. And if I'm going to be drowning in paper, I want it to be the good kind, like cardstock and DSP. I make notes on every, oh my God, this thing is the handiest thing ever. Love it. Plus, I realized as I was going to do today, it comes with this little thing, tray, that is meant to, well, I guess you can do it for whatever you want. There's no rules. It's crafting. But you can put your little ink spots in here so they don't move around when you're painting. It actually turns the other way if you notice the logo. You can take your little water painters. These are genius things and on low inventory. And you can have some water or some different drops, and you can do some techniques, and it's just genius. But as it turns out, it'll also make a really nice mat for the dice, because dice on glass, whew, that'd be loud. So for today's Monday challenge, we are, the dice got the dog excited. We are going to do a dice challenge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll the dice, and then I'm going to set them next to these 5 things, and it's going to tell us what our project should use. And then we're going to make a bunch of projects with it. And on Friday, I'll post mine, and then you can add yours to the post, and we'll all share, and it'll all be awesome. Okay, so are we ready? I made these dice myself, and I have, this is just a treat bag we used to have, and it works out great. So here we go. Okay, so I'll just find them. Oh, we're making a slimline card. I don't think there's an actual rule for slimline. You can't read these, can you? Slimline. I can only do so much at once. I can zoom in, but I don't know if I'm zooming on the right thing. Colors are the Regals. So the Regals are Cherry Cobbler, and I don't really go by color family. I was going to say navy, but I can't remember now if navy moved over to the neutrals because they did some changes last spring, and I don't 100% remember. Deep, dark, beautiful colors. That's Regals. Techniques. Ooh, blender brush. Ooh, we like a good blender brush. Elements. DSP. Easy, easy element. Who doesn't love DSP? And we're making friendship cards. So I will take a picture of this to post because it might be easier than the video. And I will post it on my little Monday thing, and then you guys make something. Make whatever you want. The options are limitless. Look at this. Yeah, see? Look at this. I can't see because I have my camera right in front of my face. So make a slimline card using Regals. Add a little bit of blender brush in there. Put some DSP on it. Make it a friendship card. Alrighty? Thanks for joining me in this technical journey and having lots of fun with me. And I'm going to see what I can do about zooming in and see how to get to the corner just to see if I can do it. See, because I wonder if I can. Sorry, now I'm just playing it. Now you just have to go along with me. Can I use my arrow keys to do anything? Nope. There you go. Unfortunately, you can't really read the dice very well. Thanks for playing, guys. I really appreciate your patience. And catch the projects on Friday. Thanks. Happy Monday. Have a great week.